Okay, well, we got it up and running. I've only got to put this, just tidy this back up now. Screw them back into place with those few screws there. See, cable went through inside there, look. Come through into the cupboard in here. I've just got this to put back, but I'm going to film it first and then show you when it's finished. Okie doke. Don't know why that light ain't coming on. Oh, playing up. Flashed then. Wait a minute. Oh. Anyway, we got the wiring. I got this bit of a. These are good. These I'm £2.50 off Teemu. There's the cable. There. All my satellite cables. There's a TV aerial here. Look. But I ain't took it off that. I've took it off the cigarette lighter, which is there. See? There's a couple of wires into there, to be honest, but those are the wires. Those two wires here are the ones that go down and into there. I've soldered them onto the connection. Just that one there at the bottom. Some tape around it. I'm going to put some tape around this top one, I think, as well. But now that's soldered connection. So there we are. That's all done. I'm going to put that back on there. Look at the good these are. Fit on magnets, look. Oh, got one down there as well. Looks like I can see underneath the cupboard. It's pitch black dark in there sometimes. Anyway. Okay, so we'll just close the cupboards up for a minute. I'll show you how this. I'll show you how this fan. Well, it's a bit more than a fan, to be honest. It's posh. Obviously you can reverse it. You can work it on this here. So if I press, if you can see the buttons there. If I press on this button here, look, so there's an arrow going out that way and an arrow coming back this way. So if I press that button, it's got to stop it from going at the full speed, which is those six blue lights, and it's got to go completely stop it and start again. So watch what happens. You see that? One fan stops first and starts back up, and the other one stops for second and starts back up again. That's actually extracting it outwards now, sucking out. But you don't need to turn it on that many. Two's enough. And you can barely hear it. That's running. That fan's running. If I press stop, power off, you'll see. Let's stop now, look. Power on again. Boost to start with. And it settles down. Okay. Give it number 2 on the blue lights. And that should be enough. There's a timer here as well. Let's just say we're timer there. What does that say? In, and it says 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes time it should shut off. It's the business. It is the business. Let's see what happens in 10 minutes time. Let's just show you the remote control while we're looking at it. I can't really show you the timer, can we, really? Gotta wait 10 minutes for it. We don't want to do that because we'll have no battery in the camera. We've got 4 minutes. We've got left. Oh, you're 87%. Whoa. But just check it as the timer works. It's got a timer on it, that's the main thing. Okay, let's shut it off. Remote control off. Remote control on. remote control max. %. This is the lights change it. 80%, 60%. I think 40% is probably about there. Just about hear that now. 20%, well, you wouldn't know it was there. But that's what you want. Now also you can change it to sucking out or sucking in. So at the moment we're blowing in. You see that little red light, the blue light rather, the tiny one. If I press to suck out, changes, look, see, reverses the fan. Coming, blowing it in is that one. That's great. That's great. So without further ado, I'm going to clean up all this mess and all this lot here. I'm going to put the wiring back together in my cupboard. Not the wiring's done. I've just got to put everything back tidy. Cable along here, into there, no problem. Can't even see, don't even know it's there. Into here, round here, down here, over the top of the skylight and plug it into there. Look at that. You can't see any wires, and when that's all back inside there, all the wires will be behind this, and they will all be behind this cover here. Goes back up there, everything goes back in place. I've got to tidy this lot up in there. But yeah, okay. Right, that's my task now. I'm going to switch the camera off now. I hope you've enjoyed these series of videos that I've done. They are long-winded, but I'm just thinking of ideas and what to do and where to put the wires and things like that. And in all different scenarios, and the only scenario that works at the end of the day was the one that Titan had said in the first place. You have that up any higher, you can't open the skylight, and you wouldn't want it any lower. So that's it. It just needs some of this mesh for here, Titan, and here down the side it needs some sort of rubber gasket there, and rubber gasket down there. But here it needs some sort of mesh, the same as this. And also, if these square bars in the plastic framing were diamonds, shaped like diamonds, sucking air in, blowing air out, it would drastically reduce the noise from the fan. Because if it's running across a pointed diamond edge, it would be quiet. Because it's hitting a square edge, flat edge, in and out, top and bottom. If it was done with a diamond shape, it would be much quieter, I'm sure. But I can't make plastic, so I don't know how you'd do it. But anyway, that's just a tip from me, Titan. If you like my videos, just like and subscribe on them all, please. I do need the votes. I'm new to this. Okay, thank you very much. Over and out, and I'll see you on the next one.